So time to replace the wide blade washer blade, what do you say, wiper blade, and you can see that this is a refillable one. You can sort of pull here and it all comes out, I guess. If it doesn't, I guess I have to remove this piece and then it will come out. So because it has a hassle, we got the spray nozzle here, so it comes here with the washer fluid and then goes into this both, so it goes here and here. So you can't just buy a normal 28-inch. It's a J-hook here, so I believe you can release it here, but need to find something that has this fluid, or just do the refills, try to find some refills that fits. So gotta go check them out on the internet, try to find some. I'm gonna get back. I believe this is the original Toyota. You see it says Toyota there, 48 I think it says, but I think it's 28-inch, both of them, and that means 700 millimeters. So what next? Yes, I'm watching this video by Hades Omega. He seems to have older wipers, but he has bought refill ones, and reading here, it's the original one. You can see it here. And then anyway, I couldn't find this one in Sweden or so then I found that Toyota Tarago is a no guy from Australia, and he says that his are 24-inch on his van, on his Previa, and then he gives a link here to some refills that should work. You can get 28 refills on eBay as well, and then he gives a link. So that link goes here. So I'm checking this one out here. Yeah, it looks like this. So, and I did try it out on the Tarago. It says that it isn't compatible and so on, but this looks like the similar one. So this one I could find in Sweden on a site. Sorry, I'll check it out. Where is it now? Here it is. Yeah. So this is what I bought. Looks pretty much the same as far as I can tell, and they are 700 millimeter, which is equals 28-inch. So that is what I've ordered. Let's see if it fits. Här är original. Vi jämför. Men det funkar. It works. You just pull it here. And then I just cut the excess. And hopefully it will work. Now I think I need to put this in, the steel ones. Let's try it. Okay, so I tried to put this one on, but it's a bit sloppy. So it's because you don't have the metal insert here like you have on this. I bought this one. It's a 700 millimeters, 28-inch. So I'm gonna try to pull it out and replace it, since I need the washers here. I still need them, so I'm gonna try to put them inside here. And I think it's just I just have to pull them out, I believe. And we have a stop here, so I might have to pull this apart a bit here. But on this side it's open. Hope you follow. Anyway, this looks like this. So it's almost the same. I know I wanted to see this. So now I have pulled it apart a bit, these pieces, and then I can hopefully pull it apart. Yeah. So I'll keep pushing this out and get back when I try to put it on the other one. Well, that didn't work. Don't know if you can see it, but the newer one is bigger, so it doesn't fit. So now the plan is to use the metal, use these parts, and then take the metal piece from this one and make it more firm. So I'm pushing in this on both sides. Start with this side and just push it down and make sure that it goes inside. It's been changed. It was a bit of a hassle, but now it's working. Perfect. Finally. Okay, that's it. Hope you got something out of it. It was a bit tricky for me to find out how it sounded simple on the internet, but it wasn't that simple. But you could fix it pretty cheap anyway. Bye bye.